Hello everyone, I have got the request to make the video on vectors, so I am picking one past paper question on vectors for year 10 and year 11 students. If you want me to make the video on any other topic, do let me know in the comment section. If you have not watched my previous video, please refer to the card on the top right of this video. Let's get started. Vectors. I have taken the past paper question number 26. The diagram shows a parallelogram OPQT. OPQT is your parallelogram. The position vector of P is vector A. OP is vector A. The position vector of T is B. OT is vector B. K is on PQ such that PK is to KQ. PK is to KQ is 3 is to 1. Let's write down here. This is 3 and this is 1. The line OK and TQ are extended to meet at X. OK and TQ, they are extended to meet at X. Find the position vector of X in terms of A and B. Give your answer in its simplest form. I need to find out the vector OX. As we know that the vector OX is the extended vector of OK vector, we can write down the vector OX as OK plus KX. I need to first find out the vector OK first. OK vector will be written as OP plus PK vector. Let's write down here OP plus PK vector. OP is vector A and PK vector is 3 is to 1 ratio. So this 3 parts out of 4 parts. As I am going in this direction PK, I will write down the vector in terms of PQ. OP vector will be written as vector A plus PK vector will be written as 3 by 4 of PQ vector. As you know that PQ vector is parallel to OT vector. So this is also vector B. Let's write down here. This will be written as vector A plus 3 by 4 of vector B. I need to write down the vector KX. KX will be written as KQ plus QX. Let's write down here. KX vector will be written as KQ vector plus QX vector. KQ vector. KQ vector is one part out of 4 parts. As I am going in this direction KQ, I will write down the vector in terms of PQ. So this will be 1 by 4 of PQ. Let's write down here. This will be equal to 1 by 4 of PQ vector plus QX vector. I need to write down the QX vector here. Let's see our diagram first. QX vector, we don't know what is QX vector, but we know that this QX vector is parallel to OP vector as this is a parallelogram and QX is the extension of TQ. So this is parallel to OP. I need to find out the ratio of QX and OP. I need to prove that OPK and QKX, both the triangles are similar to each other. To prove that they are similar to each other, this angle P is equal to angle Q. As these lines are parallel to each other and PQ is considered as the transversal, so this angle P is equal to angle Q by alternate angle property. These lines are parallel to each other and OX is considered as the transversal. So this angle O is equal to this angle X. By angle-angle similarity, these two triangles are similar to each other. If this is the ratio of 3 is to 1, this ratio QX and OP must be 3 is to 1. I need to divide the vector OP into 3 parts. So let's divide this into 3 parts here. As you can see that the length of QX is approximately same as this length. So I have divided OP into 3 parts which is equal to QX. So this is also 1 part and this is 3 parts as our triangles are divided into the ratio of 3 is to 1. So this is also 3 is to 1. Let's write down our vector here first. QX vector will be written as 1/3 of OP vector. I hope it is clear now. Let's substitute this value QX is equal to 1/3 of OP here. This will be equal to 1 by 4 of PQ plus 1/3 of OP vector. This will be equal to 1 by 4. PQ is parallel to OT vector, which is vector B, plus 1/3 of OP is vector A. I need to find out the answer for OX vector, which will be equal to OK vector, which will be equal to A plus 3 by 4 of B plus KX vector, which will be 1 by 4 of B plus 1 by 3 of A. I need to add it. A plus 1 by 3A will be written as 4 by 3A plus 3 by 4B plus 1 by 4B is 4 by 4B, which is equals to B only. The vector OX is given as 4 by 3A plus B. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.